Okay, did y'all see these edges though? Like, stop playing. So brows are already kind of done. So now I'm going to prime. I'll be forgetting what I'm doing because I really don't even use primer like that. This is a little sample of the MAC Prep and Prime Skin Base. We're just gonna pop that in some primeable places. I don't know. I'll be taking the Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm in the shade 310. I usually do about like 3 pumps. So I will be taking this MAC 248 brush and just dipping into the foundation and kind of like dotting it all over this face. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend everything out using this brush and just do like light circular motions. This is the Lasting 25-Hour Breathable by Rimmel, you know. But I don't know, it says medium coverage. It's in the shade light, but inside the tube it kind of looks like it's my exact skin shade. So I don't know if I want to put this under my eye, but I'm just gonna try it out here in the play. Put a little down my nose. I usually don't like putting concealer on my nose because my nose gets really oily, so I try to limit like the amount of cream products I use on it. But lately I've been doing it. It's been okay. So now I'm just gonna let that sit for like 30 seconds because I noticed that I like to let my concealer dry down a little bit because it maximizes the coverage. So I'll be back in like 30 seconds. Okay, so we're back to blending out the concealer. I washed this little sponge I use. This is from e.l.f. I need a new one because this one is raggedy, but don't worry about that. So I'm just going to blend out this concealer starting at my chin. I like to blend out the places that I don't like want the most coverage in first, just because I don't know, I'm weird like that. It's cool, but it's not really like bright enough for me, so I'm gonna go in with this Blackpink Ultra HD concealer. This is from the Beauty Supply. It was like $3. They didn't have my shade. Well, they didn't have the shade I wanted in the LA Girl Pro, so I just got this one. But they pretty much work the same. Oh, now I'm going to set. I'm taking this Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Banana and just gonna put a little bit of that in this cap. I need to get a new setting powder. I saw that Fit Me pressed powder in Target, but I was being cheap, so I didn't buy it, but I should have. But like a good thing about using the Fenty Beauty is that it dries down so matte so that you barely have to use powder. But if you do have oily skin, I would suggest doing a little powder if your shit is like super oily like mine. But if you're like moderate, then it's not gonna be super necessary for you. So for contour, I like to use these brushes. I'm pretty sure it's like a packing eyeshadow brush, and it's dual ended, and it's from Mally. She sells like makeup on like HSN and QVC and shit, but I like her or whatever. So just going to start by snatching the nose. Immediately, it looks hella dark, but don't worry about it. It's gonna be cool. Now I'm going to take this Real Techniques contour brush and just warm up the cheeks. I was thinking like the other day, like I remember like in 2018 in my Instagram bio I would have like influencer and all that, but I really don't want to even be defined by that anymore. Like I'm just me, you feel me? Like who? Plus I never really wanted to be a role model, because then that's like role models can't make mistakes because people are watching them. And I always just felt like I don't want that for me. So I'm just me. I just am a girl who happens to do YouTube and like fashion shit, but I'm not trying to be an influencer per se. If people like are inspired by me and they want to like take things that I do and implement it in their own life, like you go Glen Coco. But I'm not out here trying to like straight up influence anybody to do anything. I need to finish off my brows, which basically just means like combing, like brushing the product a little bit forward. These are cool. But I mean, pro tip, if they ever come out like jacked to you, you can always go back in with that concealer or whatever excess product you have on that brush and just fix it. Or you can just take your foundation / powder brush and go over the front of them so that it's not even that harsh, so you can't tell where your brows are jacked at. Much done with my base. I'm just going to spray setting spray, and then I'm gonna do like lashes and lip gloss and like a little highlight, and then it'll be a wrap. Okay, so for like highlight, ooh, wow. It just cracked. Well, I mean, it was already cracked, but like it just dead like fell all over my dresser. But it's cool. I'm just gonna tap into it and just like pop some on wherever I see fit to be doing so. What I like to do now is I'm going to put the glue on my lashes. I like to use the Duo dark tone lash glue when I do wear liner. So I'm gonna put the glue on my lashes, and then while it's getting tacky, I'm gonna do my lip gloss. I'm going to do lips. So for lips, I'm going in with this liner. It's literally this big, so small, but I really like it. So ooh, child.